It gives me great pleasure to be here tonight and to be part of the final night of the Coral Coast Carnival. I thank the people of Nandroga Navosa for the warm welcome and trust that you have had an enjoyable week of fun and entertainment, and I have been also informed that the carnival has been a successful one. I commend the council for reviving this carnival after a lapse of 6 years. Ladies and gentlemen, this carnival is second last of the carnivals held by various towns and cities throughout the country this year. The last one will be organized by Lawaqa Town Council. Tonight's winner will join other queens in taking part in the Miss Fiji pageant in Nandi next month. The winner from the pageant will then represent Fiji in the Miss South Pacific pageant. Ladies and gentlemen, government through my ministry has and will always support such carnivals because they bring people of all races and backgrounds together, promoting unity. Likewise, ladies and gentlemen, we should all get together and enjoy and celebrate all other public holidays with the rest of our family members, friends, and neighbors. At this juncture, I wish to thank the contestants who have shown interest and pride in representing their sponsors and also supporting the council in making this carnival a successful one. You are wonderful examples to young women of your age. As you will realize by now that these type of events are also about bringing to the fore development issues that Fijians must be aware of and for which we must all work together as a people to address the issues that we have on hand. In this carnival, it is about saving corals for our future. You are therefore promoting and raising awareness on the issue of coral protection, thus becoming champions for the environment protection. And on behalf of government, I want to say congratulations to all the contestants. I know it has been a very busy week, and it is my hope that the experience you have gained in interviews, public speaking, not to mention the lifelong friendship, has been worth it. In particular, when you consider what you have done and given to the people of Nandroga Navosa. Without you, there would be no carnival. Thank you, and my best wishes to each one of you. And let me say that tonight you all are the winners. The theme of this year's carnival, Protect the Coral for Our Future. I know much has been said during this week, but I wish to reiterate my concern at the state of our environment. Wherever we go, we see refuse being thrown here and there. I urge you all tonight to please discard your refuse in a proper way. Use rubbish bins for your daily refuse and make sure all refuse ends up at the dump site and not in our rivers, creeks, or along seashores. All refuse thrown carelessly ends up in the sea, which contributes to the damage of our coral, affecting our marine ecosystem. Ladies and gentlemen, take pride of your community, your town, and our country. Let's all make our town clean and beautiful at all times. This way, we can all save the coral for our future. The chairman and the members of the organizing committee, once again, thank you for the invitation and for a successful week-long carnival. Thank you once again to Vodafone and various sponsors for your support. May God bless you all. Binaka.
call upon the first Coral Coast Queen to hand over the crown to the Honorable Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, as you have witnessed, we also acknowledge the presence of the Coral Coast First Queen. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sigatoka, Vodafone Coral Coast Carnival Queen, Miss Africa Fiji Beach Resort, Adele Lignum. Tourism, Miss Naviti Beach Resort, Miss Photogenic, Miss Saffron Soul by Trapus, Miss Personality, Miss Husband Investment, Miss Traditional Attire,